I watched an HOA build 96 houses on my land, and I didn't stop them. I let them finish. Because I knew one legal move would wipe out the entire HOA. You're not going to believe this, but an HOA literally took over my land, built 96 homes, and thought I'd never fight back. And at first, I didn't. See, this land had been in my family for decades. Quiet, undeveloped, sitting right outside a growing suburban area. I inherited it, checked the deed, paid the taxes, and honestly forgot about it for a while. That was my mistake. One day I drive out there, and I almost crash my truck. Bulldozers, paved roads, brand new houses, street signs, an entire HOA neighborhood on my land. I thought it had to be some kind of error. So I asked around. Turns out a developer assumed the land was abandoned, pushed paperwork through with the county, and formed an HOA before I even knew what was happening. And here's the wild part. They never actually owned the land. But instead of stopping construction, I stayed quiet. I hired a lawyer, pulled the original deed, survey maps, tax records going back years, and I waited. Why? Because once those 96 homes were finished, their value skyrocketed. That's when I made my move. I filed a single legal action, quiet title with injunctive relief. In plain English, I proved in court that every single home sat on my property and the HOA had no legal right to exist there. The courtroom went silent. The HOA board was stunned. The developer panicked. Homeowners suddenly realized they didn't actually own the land under their houses. Within weeks, the HOA dissolved. The developer had to settle for a number so high I never have to work again. And the homeowners? They got clean titles from me, all because I waited and used one legal move at the right time. So yeah, they built 96 homes on my land, and I let them. Because sometimes the smartest move is letting your enemy finish the mistake.